everybody, this is Charles over at Teachers Discovery, and in this video I'd like to show you how to use PUEDES, which is the app that is available at Teachers Discovery. To get to it, you simply go to Teachers Discovery, you click on Spanish, and then you click into Apps, and that will bring you to PUEDES. So PUEDES is a listening comprehension app for teachers to use with their students online. This is a fantastic app for using for remote learning, which I know a lot of teachers have to do right now. I'm actually at home right now recording this video. Once you have selected and purchased one of the apps or grab the free app that's available, you'll be sent a link that looks like this in your email. The email is going to include a couple of quick steps as far as how to get yourself set up and how to set it up with your students. But it's honestly really easy. We simply click the link that is provided in that email, and that is going to bring you to your teacher portal, or the place where you're going to generate the codes for your students. Now from here you're going to type in your email address and then click once to generate your code. Success! I have generated my codes. It's going to give me codes for 3 different levels, which represents the 3 levels of difficulty for each app. So every app comes with all 3 levels. I'm simply going to highlight the code, right-click on it, and select Copy. Or you can do a Control-C or Apple-C, depending on if you're on Mac or Windows. Once you've generated your code and you've copied the one that you want to use, you're going to tell your students to go to this web address. And I'm going to open it up here so you can see it. Now you can simply copy this web address if you'd like and put it in an email and send it to your students. And that's going to take them to a portal that looks like this. And from here, they're going to put in the code, and then we click to submit your code. And this takes us straight into level 1, because that's the one that I copied. And it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Watch and listen carefully to the video and answer the questions in order. Be sure to answer all of them before clicking the finish button. Let's get started.
Este vestido que literal es como una camisa larga.
Now, as the video progresses, you're going to see those little dots. That's everywhere where the video is going to pause and ask you a question. Each question is worth 10 points, and there are a total of 10 questions in this level 1 quiz.
Este me lo compré de chiripazo, la verdad.
Once you reach the end of the video, you have the option to click Finish. And there you go. That's your quiz. I actually didn't do too bad, 60 out of 100. It's going to show you all of the answers that you got right and all of the answers that you got wrong, but it does not tell you what the right answer is. We've done this so that when you reach the bottom, you have the option of trying it again before you submit your score. At the end, your students will fill out their name and then click Submit. And this is going to send their scores to you. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions about how to use this program, please don't hesitate to give us a call or to send us an email. You can email help@teachersdiscovery.com, or you can call 1-800-TEACHER, and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.